We'll have them do 1 nail each. We'll compare them.
If there's probably another complex with more, you probably get each nail on your hands and each nail on your feet, all done by different salons.
Okay, it says. Let me see.
Is there like some gold rush of nails here?
I guess.
Like the clock strikes like 6 p.m. and like a flood or something. Seems like too many nails.
Oh, Jesus.
Sorry. I was trying to avoid the FedEx truck and I saw the wide curb opening. I didn't realize it was going to. Dang it.
What?
No, I'm trying to avoid getting it.
Okay.
That's why I'm doing this.
Oh, that's a cool idea.
It is. This. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
It's actually.
We're reorganizing the agency to consolidate those things.
Oh, fuck!
One, to eliminate
Fuck!
redundancy and streamline the agency. Most importantly, to redirect it.
Shit!